Hello guys, welcome to the tutorial. So in this tutorial what we going to focus is how to install the Softeather VPN server on the machine. So the screen that you see is the virtual machine manager for the KVM, and this is for the VM for the run the Kubernetes master node, and this is for the worker node, and this is for the run the our VPN server. So these things like fresh VM instances. So I just ran this thing, and you can see that it's on the login, and if you go to here you can see the IP address of it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna connect it from my terminal. This one. Yeah, after that I'm gonna just switch it on the root. So I'm following this guide to install the Softeather VPN. Yeah, let's go through. Okay, I have already installed that one. So after that, go to the Softeather download. Softeather VPN, and in here choose the VPN server, and then choose Linux, and then the 64-bit. It depends on whatever the thing that you're using. So in my case, this is the configuration that I need to follow. So after that, just copy the link. Just make sure you choose the RTM one. Don't use the beta one. Okay, after that, duplicate this one. Wait for it to finish. While you're doing that, let's go to the next one. So we need to extract this one and then build that one. Okay, so it's I think select Softeather, yeah, VPN server, and make yes. Okay, let me pull up my notes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just move this directory to some other place. You can move it to anywhere else that you like, but make sure when you follow my tutorial, make sure to update those paths relatively. Okay, I'm going to move this one to the user local, and then user local VPN server, and then not everything, this one VPN CMD and server. Okay, now after that we need to create a service for this one. Let me pull up my notes. Okay, all right. Okay, let's create something called start.sh, and tap address of let's say okay. Okay, sorry for the I just forgot, so we need to make it 10.192 no, sorry 10.168.1. So as I remember in our first introduction video, I told that it should be like 10.192.1.2 for the master node and 10.192.1.3 for the worker node. So this network should be like this, 10.192. Yeah, I will explain this later. So what the heck I'm doing in this one. So yeah, and after that use local VPN server and then VPN server start, and then we just wait for 2 seconds and let me just copy this one to here. cpl restart dnsmasq. So this is a script that so some of these softwares we haven't installed it yet on our system. So in the tutorial in future it will like make sense what I did here. Okay, let's make it executable. Okay, now let's start our let's check whether this machine is okay for the to host a VPN server. Yeah, it's okay. Now let's start the VPN server. Okay, now let's connect to it. So this tool you can download it from here as well. Go to here and just select VPN Server Manager for Windows or macOS. So currently, if you're wondering how I managed to run this in Ubuntu, I run this using Wine. And let's say this is Kubernetes one, and the host name should be this. Okay, select the port like this and admin. Yeah, once you connect to this one, it will ask for the new password. So what I'm gonna just type is it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 because it's easy. So in your case, just put like strong password. Yeah. After that, in here just type remote access VPN server and just click on next. yes, VPN. And for this you can disable this one later. If you want to like play around with these functions, you can play around with this later. So what does this basically mean is like it says like once you enable this, once you can natively connect these devices to this VPN so remotely. So after that just type OK, disable this one because I don't need it. Yeah, let's create a user called let's not create users now, just close this one. Yeah, now the initial setup for the server has completed. Now go to the local bridge setup and then select this one and select this one and then type soft. So what this will do is so in the future, so what we need to do is for the master node we need to have a static IP. So and the other worker nodes we can have dynamic IPs because it doesn't matter. And the other thing is we also need to be allowed to be like connect to the VPN. So if you use the inbuilt so if you go back and can go here and we can enable this one. So once you enable this one, it will be like assigning the IPs for the each client. It's happening through this one. And for the record, like this thing is a little bit slower, so that's why we are going to do like it described in here. This method is a little bit slower, so that's why we are going for the local bridge settings, so that thing we can do by do that in here. So just follow my steps and you'll be okay. Soft and create local bridge. Yeah, and we can exit. We can exit with this one, and yeah. So after that, just type on ifconfig, and you can see that the tab interface is initialized. So if you go back to the start this thing again, so you can see that I have done something there, right? So what will it do is it will assign this IP to that interface because it need to be initialized in order to work with the server correctly. So the next thing is let's finish the server systemd script. Let's complete that one first. So now what we need to do is we need to create another script in system. I think it is a system. Yeah, systemd and system. Let's say VPN Server .service. Yeah, after that just copy paste this. I'm going to just copy paste the lines that I have. So this should be start.sh. I think these things are okay. After that, just copy paste it on and type systemctl enable VPN service and VPN server stop because we have started that previously. VPN service, VPN server start. Okay, there might be other. Let's see. Maybe there's some error. Let's see. System service Ubuntu. I think should work. Let's start it like this. Just to check. Yeah, it's working. So copy this one and let's go to here and let's see whether we have mistyped anything. Seems okay to me. Taiwan reload. Okay. Okay, let me just investigate this issue and contact you guys. Give me 1 minute. Okay guys, actually I have found the issue. There's 2 issues I have found. So in here you need to comment this one out for just because we didn't install this one yet, this software. And the other thing is you need to edit this one and make it like this bin bash and space and then our script, and after that just type systemctl daemon reload. So daemon reload. After that service VPN server start, and then if you type this one, it will set the IP address as well, and if you go to here, you will be able to connect it to here as well. Okay, now so next thing is installing dnsmasq and the other things. For that let's install it. like this. Okay, address is already in use. Okay, it seems to be we have another DNS server running on this OS. I need to check that one out again and I will come back to you again. Okay, it seems to be there's a problem that it's actually a problem. It's some other service system resolver is listening on the port 53. So for that, what we can do is we can disable that one, and for that you can just follow this one, and for here I'm gonna put this will be the Google DNS address, and after that no, and yeah, after that I need to create this link. If your OS didn't like do such I mean, if it is not making such problems, just don't follow these set of steps that I'm currently doing now. And now reboot. Okay. Okay. Let's see, our service automatically running up. Yeah, seems to be our service is working fine that we created. Okay, let's go to cd. This not local server, and then vi start.sh, and then just uncomment this one. Okay, after that actually I need to edit this one, and vi this go to the end of the file. Okay, after that we can just copy paste these lines here, but we need to edit some of these lines because our interface is different. But I can't remember the software that we need to add. Okay, it is 10 1 network should be the IP should start from 1.2 to say it in 192.1.254 and our adapter IP address would be 1 yeah. Okay, I think this should do it. Yeah. Sorry. So after that, let's see. Let's vi start.sh. Yeah, we have uncommented that one, this line, and okay. Now service status. It's fine. Save restart. Okay. If config, it's okay. Depends. Yeah. Just have initialized as well. Okay, now I think our basic setup for the VPN server is finished now. Let's meet up in another tutorial about how we can connect to the this VPN server and continue to configure how to configure the Kubernetes cluster. Okay, thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.